Want to instantly add warmth, style, and sophistication to your home or office? Then it's time to look down, because high-quality wooden flooring can completely transform your space. In Dubai, where modern elegance meets timeless design, wooden floors are more than just a trend, they're a lifestyle statement. Let's explore how the right wooden flooring can redefine your interiors with natural beauty and enduring charm. In the world of interior design, flooring is the foundation of style, and wooden flooring remains the ultimate choice for creating inviting, luxurious spaces. In Dubai's design scene, where homeowners and designers are blending modern minimalism with natural aesthetics, wooden flooring has become the go-to option. It's elegant, durable, and versatile, perfect for everything from a cozy apartment to a grand villa. Let's dive into how high-quality wooden flooring can transform your space and why it's one of the best investments you can make. 1. The timeless beauty of wood. Nothing compares to the natural warmth and elegance of real wood. Each plank tells its own story, unique grains, rich textures, and organic tones that add depth to your interiors. Whether you prefer the classic charm of oak, the luxury of walnut, or the modern vibe of ash, wooden flooring complements every design style. In Dubai, where interiors often mix contemporary and traditional elements, wood perfectly bridges both worlds, creating a space that feels refined and welcoming. 2. Durability meets everyday comfort. High-quality wooden flooring isn't just about looks, it's built to last. Engineered and solid wood floors are designed to withstand Dubai's busy lifestyle and changing indoor climates. They're durable, easy to maintain, and can handle daily wear and tear beautifully. Plus, wooden floors provide a comfortable, natural underfoot feel, making your home cozy and inviting year-round. 3. Perfect for Dubai's modern interiors. Dubai's architectural style emphasizes luxury, simplicity, and open spaces, and wooden flooring fits perfectly within that vision. Its smooth, elegant surface enhances natural light and creates visual harmony throughout the room. Pair it with marble textures, soft neutrals, or metallic finishes, and you'll achieve that modern, high-end interior look seen in the city's most stylish homes. 4. Variety of styles and finishes. One of the greatest advantages of wooden flooring is the range of styles available. You can choose from matte or glossy finishes for different moods, wide planks for a grand, contemporary appeal, or herringbone or chevron patterns for a classic European touch. Each finish and design tells a different story, allowing you to personalize your space down to the smallest detail. 5. Easy maintenance and longevity. Contrary to popular belief, wooden floors are incredibly easy to maintain. With proper sealing and regular cleaning, they stay beautiful for decades. If scratches or dullness appear over time, they can be refinished instead of replaced, making them a long-term investment rather than a temporary style choice. In Dubai, where dust and sand can be an issue, high-quality finishes ensure your flooring remains smooth and spotless. 6. Eco-friendly and sustainable options. Modern wooden flooring brands now offer eco-conscious options, using responsibly sourced timber and non-toxic finishes. This makes wooden flooring a sustainable choice that aligns with Dubai's growing focus on green living and environmentally friendly interiors. It's beauty with a conscience, natural, renewable, and timeless. 7. Adds value to your property. If you ever decide to sell or rent your property, wooden flooring increases its market value instantly. Buyers and tenants in Dubai recognize the quality and elegance that real wood adds to a space. It's not just a flooring choice, it's a sign of refined taste in premium living. From sleek penthouses to cozy family homes, wood adds to a space. It's not just a flooring choice, it's a sign of refined taste in premium living. From sleek penthouses to cozy family homes, wooden flooring has become a symbol of elegance, warmth, and luxury across Dubai. It brings nature indoors, complements every design style, and lasts for generations. So, if you're ready to transform your space, choose high-quality wooden flooring where timeless design meets modern sophistication. Because true elegance starts from the ground up.